Allergic.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry. Here, let me grab a tissue for you.
Hubert, say something!
Hey, that's my wife. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get this hanging. Almost got it.